Hi everyone. So come along with me guys as we go and make another make it raw recipe here guys. It's a really good one. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It tastes just like the cream inside of a donut, and it's raw vegan. What? Yeah, I know that. See, that's the thing. That's what I don't understand, why people aren't raw vegan, because you can make a lot of delicious combinations of just like savory dishes for dinner or even desserts and stuff, and then smoothies of course, but just 2 ingredients here guys, just 2 ingredients. And lately I've been getting into the hemp seeds. I've been kind of got my fix off of durian for a while for my fats, and now lately I'm kind of moving on to hemp seeds. So I kind of mutilated the bag here, so sorry guys, but I got a little pack of hemp hearts or hemp seeds here. And so tonight is I'm gonna have my fats for tonight for dinner, and so I've been eating this is what I like to do lately actually. And so let's make the donut cream guys. Super simple and easy. It's just medjool, dates, and hemp seeds. Super easy. And that's one thing about raw foods, eating the way we were designed to eat, is you really don't need no blender. You don't need anything. Just what I like to do is just take a bite of I like to get a spoonful of hemp seeds. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Maybe this will be better. Hopefully this will be better. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. No YouTube professional at all. So here we go. So I like to take 1 little spoonful of hemp seeds. Chew it a little bit and break it down a little bit. And then you guys take a bite of a medjool date, let it process together. I ain't kidding you. That tastes like the cream inside of a donut. That's flipping amazing. Phenomenal. Come to my level, guys. Come to my level. That is insanely good. So delicious. One other combination that I love doing though, you guys, with medjool dates is taking a mature coconut. Take a mature coconut and put it, like, make little date sandwiches out of them. So medjools and mature coconut taste like Samoa Girl Scout cookies. They are so amazingly delicious. And then take Doughnut nor dates and mature coconut, and it tastes like a sweet butter cookie. It's amazing, and it's so simple and easy, and that's one thing, like I mentioned before, I think I mentioned before on the beginning of this video, that I just love about the raw foods. I mean, when I'm hungry, I can eat right away. I don't have to make all these different combinations or anything to make a delicious meal. It's delicious just the way it darn is, you know? So let's do this. Gotta have another one. Wow. Wow. Just let it naturally process in your mouth. Okay guys, so remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. Try it out for yourself. Simple and easy. You'll love it. Guaranteed. People, if you're not raw vegan, you gotta get on the bandwagon here, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, get on it. Holy moly. That's my tasty.